Secret intelligence warns Russia's banking system faces sudden, total collapse. Panic spreads. Citizens rush ATMs as war costs drain cash. The economy is bleeding out, and the crash is happening right now. Behind closed doors, leaked European intel reveals a grim reality. Sanctions and relentless war spending have drained Russia's banks dry. Now, Kremlin officials are desperately scrambling to hide empty vaults as the ruble collapses. Overnight, the Russian central bank panicked, hiking interest rates to emergency levels. But it was too late. Outside, ordinary people watched in horror as their life savings vaporized, swallowed whole by skyrocketing inflation. Europe is feeling the heat. As Russia's economy crumbles, panic spreads across borders. Financial leaders are sounding the alarm. If Russia goes down, it's taking neighboring economies with it. No one is safe. Desperate times in Moscow. The Kremlin just froze all bank accounts to stop the panic. Outside, furious citizens clash with riot police at locked doors. Their money is gone, and anger is boiling over. Ruble dead, paper money worthless. In dark alleys, desperate citizens trade family gold for basic bread. Black market economy explodes. Survival now costs everything. Welcome to new reality. Trust no one. Moscow burns, but the elites do not care. Their private jets streak across the night sky, weighed down with stolen gold. They flee to secret safe havens, leaving a ruined nation behind to suffer. The streets are burning, but the real war is inside the vaults. Soldiers break in, expecting gold, only to find empty shelves. Martial law won't save them now. The money is gone. Desperate for war funds, the government began seizing everything citizens owned. But the people fought back. Angry mobs stormed state buildings, reclaiming what was theirs. Chaos ruled the streets. User need Scene 10 script. Military join riot, grid fail. Script, then the unthinkable happened. Soldiers turned their weapons on the government, joining the chaos in the streets. Seconds later, the entire power grid collapsed, plunging millions into pitch-black, terrifying silence. Who is safe now? Under pitch-black skies, armed gangs ransack the last standing banks and stores. The police are gone. Now, ordinary neighbors must unite, arming themselves to guard their streets. It is total anarchy, and survival is the only law. Tanks rumble into the dark ruins. The regime's loyal troops are here to crush the citizen militias. A brutal street war has begun. They aren't fighting for glory anymore, just for survival and food. The border broke, violence bled across. Then, total blackout. Europe's markets crashed in seconds, plunged into absolute chaos. People fought in the dark. How much longer can this continent hold on before everything collapses? Deep underground, powerful leaders cower in concrete tombs, completely helpless. Above them, in the ashes of civilization, survivors band together in armed fortresses, desperately trying to rebuild what was lost. The ashes of the old empire are cold. From them, we rise to build something new. But the shadows are closing in. Will we light the way forward, or will the darkness swallow us forever?